Elsewhere, 4 people died after a boat ferrying them across the Sondu Miriu River capsized last night. A special search team has been engaged to retrieve the bodies of those who are still unaccounted for. Rashid Ronald has that story.
A special search team searching for the 3 remaining bodies in River Sondu Miriu. Earlier today, they managed to retrieve 1 body from the river. 2 of them managed to swim to the banks of the river when the boat capsized last evening. The 6 were said to have been drunk then were crossing the river from Nyakach.
Mwenye mkufa sahi ni ndugu yangu, ananifuata mara ya 3. Jana tulikuwa na yeye mchana kidogo. Tukaongea na yeye, alikuwa anakuja nyumbani, mimi ni mnoa shamba Kadongo. Sasa tulikuwa Kadongo, akakuja. Sasa usiku ndio nilisikia ndugu yangu sijui alicross kwenda Nyakachi. Sasa kurudi ndio akapata shida.
CORD leader Raila Odinga toured the area to condole with the families and donated 100,000 shillings to the victims' families.
I condole with the families, those who are bereaved. This is one of the unfortunate incidences taking place in our border between us and Nyakach, which is Homa Bay County and Kisumu County.
I had promised that I will get a boat here, and in the next 1 or 2 weeks, I will be able to get a boat in this place.
The waters of River Sondu Miriu have remained constant despite the long drought in the region that has seen many rivers run dry. And of course, for one to cross from one end to the other, you must use a boat, and not just a boat, but a motorboat. Rashid Ronald, KTN News, Aboya village in the county of Homa Bay.